There we go. Alright. $1.50.
JD has a freaking what? JD has a 1 billion share float. They didn't even get hit hard by the beer bug. Didn't get hit at all. Solo got some PR. Solo. Oh shit. Solo just jumped.
Nas was right. Jeez, man.
SOLO.
Oh,
Man,
wow.
how did Ganots know this shit?
Oh, wait, it didn't even jump that high.
8 cents.
Yeah, 8 cents.
I mean 10 cents, but I mean.
How does he know that?
They said that there's some news on it. Solo.
That's crazy, bro.
Sergey just announced there's news on it.
What? What's the news? I don't see any news.
I don't see it either.
Solo.
GNPX is doing something with University of Texas.
Solo truckers struggle to get rolling with stimulus fund. What? Man dies in solo vehicle crash on you. What? What is this bullshit?
StockTwits? Are you looking at StockTwits or something?
No, dude, I literally just put in solo news. Hold on. Let me share.
Develops mobile app. Okay, so they've developed the mobile app for remote sensing on solo vehicle. That's the new news. It's on their Twitter. Twitter.com/rich_HERICH.
There's nothing. I don't see anything.
I don't know. It just says that there's news about it developing a mobile app.
Oh wow! Now we're winning. Cool, you got an app. So do other companies.
Okay. Yeah, I know. Nothing interesting. That interesting about it. Oh boy.
Alright, MVIS. Nothing's happening.
What else is moving?
Now it's pinged everyone again. He's probably gonna brag about it. Yeah, Electromenka develops mobile app for remote monitoring of solo EV. Yeah. Solo double PR today with CLSK.
Still, it's like just above the dollar bar. It didn't do much of movement any which way. fluctuate up or down. So that's crazy with that news, and it's not doing anything. Yeah, people already expected that. I guess I don't know.
MVIS is not breaking 1.6.
Yeah, that's the thing is, I think because it's just been one of the top rises of the day, and people know it was from yesterday. There's gonna be a push in market, but I think after the first spike up, you might want to sell because potentially this would be the end of it. Usually, secondary risers get the bears, and MVIS has options. So you can actually buy a put option for it to go down.
Hold on, let me make
Or a
that.
call option.
Jeez. CLSK, MVIS, CCLBRQS. Okay. Guys, if not drop, I'm not going to buy. MVIS has been for a while, and it's crazy that the dips are in the 150s. I remember when 0.85 had people freaking out, including me.
OPK is rising. Did a little bit of a rise. I'll look at the 5-minute rankings and see what shows up. But GNPX just took second spot. GNPX. Snip. GNPX just rose to 365. That is some. Patented technology for a combination of TUSC2 gene drug with immunotherapies.
KOPN looks pretty promising. Or at least it did look promising earlier.
FRSX, have you guys looked into that one?
Which one?
FRSX.
FRSX. What about it? FRSX.
Foresight Autonomous Holdings. Is that like a autonomous vehicle? No, it's European train. All I see from this past is.
Oh,
sorry?
Yeah.
Israeli?
Currently, MVIS currently at the part where Woody and Buzz get stolen by Sid. That's a Toy Story joke. No.
I don't get it though.
The joke? Or the...
Yeah, I don't get. No, what did that have to do with?
No,
MVIS?
no, it's just on stock Twitch, someone just said that.
Yeah, I see where.
That sounds funny. Other than that, I don't say anything. MVIS still has the most volume out of the...
Yeah, no, it's.
I think 9:15 is gonna be the part where it's gonna...
There's still time.
So 152, so I mean... I would buy more.
How are the airlines doing?
Airlines.
AAL was at $10 yesterday. It was sub 10 all yesterday. Damn it.
UAV. No. What am I saying? United Airlines.
$9.
Well, it went down like $2 or $3 on Monday, but at the closing, it went up a
Yeah,
dollar
no,
or
all
so
of
or
them
something
kind of
like
came
that.
back up a little bit.
Yeah.
But dude, AAL was sub 10.
Yeah, MVIS is dropping, so this would be a pretty good entry. Wrong chat.
Bet.
Yeah, I saw 149.
I see it.
One five. Also think about when Robin Hood opens. Bro, what? What? Bro, me. Bro, okay, what? Why would you? Why would you say that?
He blocked me.
Spartan is a young man and risk is high with him, correct?
They're going off.
Bro, I'm so fucking confused, bro. Spartan is a young man and risk is high with him, correct? What is that supposed to mean, bro?
Yeah, you tell him.
Bro, like, dude, Eric just said that out of nowhere for no fucking reason.
Don't get emotions into this.
I'm not getting emotional, bro. I
Chill.
just like to talk shit.
that's why I like Gnat's channel way better because people just make calls. That's it. No, nothing else.
Bro, there are some actual dumbasses in this
CAPR doing
group
something?
chat.
Is CAPR doing something?
My MVS calls are gonna print money today.
Looks
Easy.
like it's dead.
A man that's retiring isn't about to lose his entire life savings on a big game now. I know.
YOLO is not a bad thing if you know where you're going.
Yeah.
With it.
I'll have to keep an eye on you. Okay.
Alright.
I think the median age in the group chat's 30, bro.
Dude, ask all the people in this chat how old they are because that's what we did. Nick decided let's just ask everybody what age they are when when we just started this chat. Most of them are under 24. So, dude, I know everyone in the chat is young. There's no everyone in the chat room and stuff. Everybody's posting their ages.
14. Nah, he's messing around. He's not 14.
Hey, actually, we literally gonna have something like a 10-year-old and shit.
Shit. Hey, bro, anyone want to play Fortnite? Bro, if you win, you get to buy me V-Bucks. Literally hate that game. Alright, anyways.
Yeah, GMPX looking solid though. It's actually moving well. Shit. I don't even know why. The news isn't really that impressive. They got a patent for a drug that I guess somehow it works with COVID immunotherapies. I don't know. I can't digest so much technical babble on medical stocks. I mean, I knew GMPX for a long time is just something that could easily run up and down for the longest time. If you look at its highest point, it was at $7 stuff. It runs massively. It was the lowest point. It was 23 cents. So within that type of frame of movement, it can move really well, and it just crossed long-term SMA. So I guess there's enough attention on it. Let me just mention that GNPX kind of looks good.
MVIS needs to start gaining some serious momentum. Or else people are just gonna get shaky hands and take it or get out. No. Yeah, 155.
GMPX is right now consolidating. What else is there? Come on, tell me something good. Even was it Gnat's channel is like completely bare right now. Norwegian Cruise Line said that there's substantial doubt about its ability to continue as an ongoing, and NCLH is gonna drop. Oh my god, check it out, NCLH. They said they can't probably operate anymore. There's CNBC News that just dropped saying that.
Like $2.
Bulls are trying to push it on MVIS. Bulls. Oh wait, is that gap up? Nah. That was a gap up.
Yeah.
Oh, 1-6, 1-6.
MVS kicked up. MVS kicked up. Awesome. This is what I was looking for. Second day riser, I guess. But remember, sell at like peak. Don't be holding it. Actually, I don't know because this thing still has like the rumor all the way till Thursday, so I don't really think Bulls will drop this because like holding a rumor is like holding like a red flag to a bull. It's just they're gonna keep charging for it. That.
My mother loaded MVIS. Money brain. Putting my mother load in. Great, now MVS is prego. Shit. At some point, people gonna be BB buy, yo, take their money. I'm a millennial. Congratulations, MVIS. I think it's almost dead. I'm talking about the laptop, not this.
181.
We need a surge of volume in like 5 minutes. Please and thank you. Oh, man. Alright. Sodies have to invest right now. They have no income. Oil isn't doing anything for them right now. Literally nothing. I think Eric is retarded. Oil is not the only source of income for investors in Saudi. GNPX. Then I jumped. MVIS pass or cross did a MACD crossover. That's what I'm trying to say. In the positive direction. And RSI is recovering. Just need some more volume. Starting to show up a little bit. Wait, TRNX got delisted? Oh shit. Yesterday, our Robinhood pumped up MPIs. Put prices will go way down. "30 seconds until hell breaks loose, hopefully." SPY is climbing and bringing all tech stocks with it. Jeez, man. It's just a doji.
I had to take a call. Yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
what?
The Robinhood just came in. Uh,
Nothing
the
happened.
first whole thing was just like a question: are they selling? Or are they buying? Right? I think they just passed that decision, and now they're buying. They're all buying. I'm looking at the layer two, looking at all the buys. So far, no like really big buys, but everybody's buying and more buyers than sellers. Uh, Still not the type of movement I'm expecting though. I'm
I
expecting
agree.
some like is it how big is the float on this thing? Because with all this, okay, now we finally got a pop. We just got
There
that
we
pop.
go. 159 IVR. 1.6. Please break 1.8, bro. 1.68. I mean, 1.6.
Yeah, it's probably
Yeah,
gonna struggle around 181 if it reaches.
that's good. At least probably like 15% on your money if it ended up there. But yeah, it's just it's definitely buying pressure, kicking it up. It's gonna hit parabolic.
163. If it surpasses the 8, then it should be blue skies.
Yeah.
Dude, the RSI was looking good too, bro.
a $100 collar.
What the fuck? It doesn't actually
Nah,
hit.
he said
Oh, he said
$1.
$1, not a
Uh,
hundred. No. Imagine if it actually hit one. Oh wait, it's at 1 point. Oh, it broke it! It broke it! It broke it!
yeah, I
It broke it!
told
Oh,
you.
hard at
This is
172.
parabolic.
Oh shit! Let's go.
This is parabolic, man.
Oh man, whatever.
You should have held from yesterday, man. You'll be making some serious bank.
I know, but fuck. Oh, I just got sweaty hands last minute, bro. I would already doubled my money, and then on top of that,
You
plus
have to like look at what the risk is and the reward is
I
where you
know.
buy at.
The thing is,
Which
even if
I
I had
don't think
my
you would have like your like loss potential loss was somewhere like 20%, which is I think a little bit too much. But your gain was like 80% if you looked at where you were at and where it was moving at. So you kind of have to take all those things into account and then just decide, hey, do I want to hold this or sell it?
dude,
At
RSI
the
is
point where
looking
it's at,
so
don't just
good.
like panic sell. Don't ever panic sell. There's even if it drops like a ton, don't panic sell. Wait for like a rebound before you sell out.
Dude, it
Um,
is going up, 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 uppity.
we could get to 1.8. Come on, I should buy a $2 call, but I don't know. I don't want to do options right now.
Dude, why is this looking so nice?
Yeah, especially this close to like the with Robinhood confirms what would potentially happen when market opens. But I don't know how much more this thing can rise. This thing has already risen like what from yesterday it's
40
300%
cents
up.
all the way up to. So it's tripled.
Yeah, 180 is 300% up basically.
Yeah. I I'm thinking about selling half of them and then getting them back. Basically shorting it without actually borrowing stocks, selling them.
Yeah, no, don't do that right now. The
No, I'm
volume
still
isn't
waiting for it.
falling.
Yeah. RSI still looks
Um,
good. If the RSI starts trailing down, then I'm gonna do that.
yeah, no, I think you're. Uh, I don't know. 170 was definitely a good point to sell at, I guess.
Hey,
But do you have day trades to do
Yeah, I have
this?
two,
How many
bro.
day
I
trades you
have
got?
two.
I just tell you to wait. No, there's no benefit you have from selling out and buying lower because it's not gonna fall that low.
It's bulls are healthy.
take a look at that, Mark.
Not trading, just kidding. Market maker, shut up.
How's Mark doing?
Actually getting a lot of volume right now.
Actually, yeah, it's coming back. Should I have just gone for Mark then?
Well, he was the third highest in volume today.
True. And the fact that it just got beat down a bunch and now it's coming back up and it's gonna do SMA crossover. I want to see that SMA crossover. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna bounce it? Who knows?
It's already
But it
crossed
is getting
MACD.
volume.
RSI's starting to die out. Let me look at the 5-minute chart. Time frame. And 5 minutes still looking good.
Solo dropping? Yeah, Solo just fell back down. That news wasn't really doing anything for Solo.
I'm looking pretty good right now. I've already doubled, and on top of that, I have 100 extra. $173. Just gonna try to test 175 again. $174. Please break. Oh. Looks like an ascending triangle.
It looks like it's building stairs. I don't know well, I need to see one more bounce on the SMA before I could call it stick. Um, but yeah, there's gonna be a jump up to one. If it could pass 175, it'll get to 180.
175. It's testing it.
Yeah, it's breaking it. Come on.
Break it, break it. Oh fuck.
$177 broke it.
Oh
Broke it.
yeah.
It broke it.
Come on. Push my leg. 76.
Come on. It broke it, but it's
76.
not moving that high. Okay, now 176. Solid 176. Oh shit. Failed it again.
Damn, man. Look at Mark.
Damn it.
It's bouncing over. It's bouncing the SMA.
Somebody's saying be careful with this thing, read halfway through it. Proposal approving potential reverse stock split. It wouldn't even need a reverse stock split trading over one. I don't think they'll even do a reverse stock split. The AG macros, whatever.
RSI died out. Well, not kind of. It's at 60. Yeah, it's dying out. MACD might cross over into negative.
Let's see how StockTwix is responding to this.
Kind of interesting what they're saying too. So
It's failing now. Let's...
GMPX. Fuck.
I can secure profits of 400 right now.
Don't.
I
Market
know.
open should kick it up though. It's just the way it's been performing and nothing else performing. Is the reason the market would probably kick this up. Is this a good market? Hope this is a good market. Looks like it's a good-ish market. And market's really sideways, but it's trending a little upwards for the day. Dow Jones, SPY, Nasdaq, all up. Nasdaq up 100 points. Dow Jones 26 points, and SPY 12 points. And it's S&P. MVIS is the third highest riser. I guess it was the second. At 177. How's GNPX doing? Damn, GNPX took another ride up. Shit.
60-cent one, to be exact.
GNPX stealing all the thunder, really. Oh shit, my phone's dying.
I don't even see GNPX on my scanner.
I know me.
MVIS is going to get halted. As long as it stays above 90, I think it was like 90 something cents, it's showing like really strong bull power. The Bollinger Bands are closing in, so it's gonna either break up or break down soon. If it bounces off of 159, that should be good. If not, it is what it is. MVIS, yeah. Tomorrow's Wednesday, right? Yeah.
What? What is that?
Tomorrow's Wednesday, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if it maintains its volume, it'll probably bounce off like 143, if anything.
Realistically, if it hits $2.50, I think that's where I would start selling mine. This needs to go up $1 or 90 cents. But I'm because yesterday it didn't start exploding until like lunchtime.
Yeah.
So it's probably gonna be another lunch hour play, power hour play. Anyways.
Wow. Besides that, I don't see anything else moving.
It's just today's a pretty slow day. Nothing exciting. Yeah, MVIS, SGBX, GNPX, DGI, KOPN, BIOL, CLSK. That's it.
Yeah. You there, Aya?
Yep. Why was it?
You still holding?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I went below my buy price and then it came back up, so that's good, I guess.
This is coffee every day.
Somebody asked me if I'm writing MVIS. Yeah.
Dude, I'm so mad, but I sold out of that 0.8. I would be.
Dude, don't worry about it.
Nah,
Wait
the
till
thing is,
the
I would be way past
big jump
Gishmo
up.
right now, bro.
You need to just, you want to capture most with your day trades. You don't want to just use them for some like small amount. I mean, 400 ain't a small amount, but I mean, yeah. You want, like, I would use the day trades for like the whole thing, for the whole rise up. I think the first spike though, if it pops in market on the first like really high spike or whatever, sell out and then you can buy back in the lower.
Oh shit, market's not even open yet. What the fuck am I saying? Bro?
Yeah, market's definitely not open.
So retarded, bro. I thought it was open.
What happened?
No, I thought it was open. And I was like, damn, bro, is this really happening when market opens? No, okay, hold on. Never mind.
There's still like, what, 2 minutes left?
2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Yeah, I bought in at, I'm all in technically at 160-ish. Well, 155.
Inshallah, it will hit 180.
I mean, it will definitely probably even hit 2 just at market open. Just sell out wherever it pops to. I guess I have a really big feeling because of its way. It's just been like stationary for the most part. This whole pre-market, it's gonna pop in the market.
Yep.
But at the first spike, sell out. And you could probably pick back in wherever it falls. I would tell you watch for a full turn of the MACD after that. 170. Oh my god.
Dude,
coming back up.
So nice,
breaking.
bro.
Could break 175 again. The 175 was that bar before.
Bro, Eric is so pessimistic, bro. Like, he was talking shit on MVIS, but he's doing hella good.
You're chasing at this point. What the heck? Dude, you see how it's moving. There's no chasing. But well, GMPX is what I think he was talking about. Yeah, you're probably chasing GMPX if you're buying up like this high. Yeah, that's true.
Oh man, dude. I'm excited. Let's start it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2.
There we go.
There we go. Oh, what? Wow, okay. That was pretty anticlimactic.
No, it's buying and selling pressure. I see 165. I'm looking at the ticker. It's just going rapid. Yeah, it's just holding itself, which is good because then that means the next minute it'll be rising. Yep, it's rising. It's definitely rising.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
3 million in volume, dude. 3 million in volume. Yeah.
My calls are printing easy. Okay, okay.
Wait.
Why would you sell at 1.7? That is retarded.
Didn't break 1.75. It bounced 1.75 and fell back down. think there was a lot of people who had stop sells or limit sells
Oh
um,
shit.
right at 1.75. Shit. Sleep tummy is still rising.
Nah, man.
That was.
Give it a couple more minutes. Oh, tank NVIS. Ooh, time to buy back in.
Nah, I don't know. This is not a good sign though. The fact that it bounced, was climbing up and then it hit 175 and bounced back down. That's not a good sign. It's like people knew exactly where they wanted to sell out was 175.
Well, why did they sell it before?
No, they put a limit
Yeah,
sell
oh yeah, you're right.
because that's where it was having trouble reaching the last time. So people were just like, if it reaches there again, I'm selling out. They're comfortable with their gain. But I mean, if you hold it, it's coming back up again above my buy price. Yeah. Uh, Now for the slow rise up. APDN went up a little bit. I'm trying to see this get back to 10. For like a stable rise up. Wow, it actually dropped a whole bunch of news. APDN is dropping a bunch of news. It says US FDA hasn't yet approved the company's diagnostics. Emergency applies for US FDA for COVID diagnostic test. Dude, why are they doing all this so late, APDN? You're so late to the bus.
APD.
It dropped a whole lot of news just like right now, like in the last few minutes. Which I mean, I guess is good, but it's not impressive because I know CODX and all those things are already doing all this stuff. You can't just take the same script, say you're doing the exact same thing, and expect like 2 months later, and expect to get the same result. Well, but it is rising. Whereas MVIS, should I just sell out? I don't know. Should I sell out?
Don't do it. Hold it, buddy.
I'm holding for right now. I really shouldn't have gambled with this right now.
It'll bounce.
Yeah, I mean, for the longer term, but this is not my type of play usually.
At this rate, we might beat yesterday's volume. Second at 162.
No, see, the second day of rising, if it fails to rise, or if it goes up to a high peak, this is the time because it's still shortable. There are gonna be shorters that are coming in. There's gonna be bears that are coming in for this stock. People are like, this stock is way too high up from yesterday, climbing up. So, but actually, like if you look at RSI, it's like basically break even is fair value.
This still has 2 full days of run up before earnings call.
That's true, but that you if you're gonna play long term, but for a short term profit, this should have just sold out at that 175, I guess.
Yeah, and then bought back in.
Because even if it came back down, it's just not. Like, once things don't go to your plan, like right now it's below SMA and everything, it's not to my plan. And that's usually a time to indicate to just like sell as soon as it doesn't go to plan. Usually you set a stop loss or something. It's going up now, 152. Keep coming back to my buy price. Like I feel like I somehow created the bar.
Yeah.
I only bought like 20k shares.
Of MVIS?
143 is a really strong support, so
Yeah.
really, really strong.
There's gonna be multiple dips today, so. 150. I'm just hoping that the FOMO is just gonna pile in that.
Look at Mark.
Mark?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a pretty big dip.
That's a good drop. People are bringing it back to the bar each time, so MVIS is not that scary for me. Shit, I could have sold at some profit.
The thing is, bro, I actually had the balls in UAVS. But MVIS, I don't know why. UAVS was
What,
like
did you
even
sell
worse.
out?
Huh?
Did you sell out now?
No.
Are you still holding?
No, I'm not. I did sell it for like a pretty good profit. Like 180.
At what price?
Something. I'd have to look. Hold on. Trade.
Well, you sold out in pre-market?
I'm talking about UAVS.
Oh, okay, no. But you're holding MVIS right now.
Yeah.
Or,
I'm saying, my hands are getting shakier with MVIS compared to UAVS. I don't know why. Okay, finally some green.
no, I mean, second day of rise always, like, the thing with UAVS was it was moving up the day before the news came, right? Whereas this one's news is going to come Thursday, so you have, like, multiple days where there could be, like, a day. Today might be where the bears come, and then tomorrow it just, like, lays flat for a day, and then, you know, the late, you know, late tomorrow it'll start moving up again, and then, you know, on Thursday, that's when you get this big jump up, and then you have the report and stuff. So, like, you have these multiple days where different things could happen. It's not just going to be rising, you know, for the next 3 days or so. So, I don't really think you should expect that. And I think right now, I don't know. I'm waiting for the confirmation now. If it keeps bouncing SMA like this is making me lose money in a position I wasn't even really have a really expectation that we do something like this right now. Okay, it somehow broke the estimator right now. Come on, show me you can do that. Let's move.
I'm back. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dow Jones jumps 200 points in the hope of economic recovery reopening. Oil heads for 5-day winning streak. Really? What are the oil stocks? OAS, no, none of these are doing anything. Um, USO. 5-day winnings. Wow. Uh, anyway, USO was already to the stock split. TGHI. But TGFI.
TGHI. Some
TGHI.
yeah,
Touch Point Group Esports Gaming Channel. Oh my god, an Esports Gaming Channel. The kid is streaming. Ooh, sports streaming. Dude, you gotta call your brother on to be an expert on this.
My brother? Nah, dude. Wait, what do you? What are you talking about?
Check out Touch Point and find out if this is worth to buy in his mind.
What's touch point?
The hell is Touch Point?
What are you guys talking about? I'm so confused.
So this new thing TGHI has some news that it's starting a dedicated esports streaming platform.
Oh, so like Twitch and Mixer type vibes? Or like YouTube gaming?
Yeah, something like YouTube gaming or that Mixer or whatever.
Twitch.
But I think they're more like streaming for main audiences. I don't know. Wait, let me just. But it's OTC though. It's OTC other. No go for me. Sorry.
Bulls are kicking in at NBS. Actually, bro, I don't want to jinx it, bro. Come on, bro. Keep pushing. Oh, 1-6. 1-6-2. SMA's at 1-6-3. He's trying. Gonna test 1-6-2 again.
APDN for me just seems like it's trying to be desperate. That's never a good look for a company.
Oh, it broke it. It broke it.
Yeah, MVS did a full cup and handle though. MVS did a full cup and handle.
GTI has some pretty good volume. Not that good, but still some volume.
7.6 million is actually really good volume. Compared to MVIS, not really.
Yeah.
See what? $1.573 is the new support. don't think there's going to be a sell off at 2. So everyone hold for 2 stars.
If it reaches back to 143, I'm take position.
One six five.
Yeah.
166.
Come back to 175 and break it. Then everybody's, attention is gonna be right there. Rumble under 35. I'm out at here. It's like, why is he holding on to a losing position? I don't even understand that.
Who?
Not CLSK, just trying to break 2. I don't know. Nope. So MVIS is just gonna be the one to take the cake, really, because it's just the rumor is enough to keep it having energy throughout the day. TPTW, especially with a day with no news, like no good news.
VAL is forming it's called the Flag. It has a lot of volume right now.
How's INO doing? Oh shit, INO took a dump. APT, how's APT doing? APT always doing this. Wow.
It's gonna break out right now soon.
APT? Yeah.
Or no, VAL.
VAL. Valeris? Valerian. Stock price cut. I don't see any reason why this would be moving. What does Valerius do?
I don't even know. I just saw it.
Valerius. Let's do the analysis of VAL. London company with 5,800 employees, founded in 2009. It's got 196 million in float. 31% short volume.
I'm so tired.
Dude, this thing is shortable like anything.
That's long.
Dude, these bears are just... Leave it alone, goddamn. $160. else is up? Scan. GNPX had a very nice day today.
Not really. It moves really well. Yes, I agree, and it did hit start. It hit its high end bar after its beginning run up. But I can't tell heads or tails of what the hell
What?
this patent technology is. I'm not an expert in this stuff.
Yeah, just double tops.
Charts. MVIS hit 169 now. It's at 161. Showing really good. Hold on, one second. My sister's coming.
then like I think of UAVS and I'm like, yeah, this thing can still fly. UAVS getting to $5 from like under a dollar, just insane.
If Microvision has the same type of energy, then I think it
Yeah, if
no.
it could do the same thing. Actually, as soon as you told me yesterday that this is Microsoft thing, I should have just like said, okay, this is gonna follow the same exact pattern of sorts that the other one was.
I was supposed to buy it at 40 cents too, bro. I would have quadrupled my money if I had gotten it at the 0.4 and I didn't through Weeble. But oh, dude, went past the SMA. Are you serious? Are people shorting it?
It's just broke the SMA. Let's see if it can keep can rebound it or no. Oh shit. Man, it's really just consolidating because I'm expecting like a really big jump and it sort of happened, but then it just came back down. So there's definitely more there that's not happened yet. Okay, I'm gonna close out this call. This is it for today, I guess. Alright, cool.
I don't know. Same.
Now, I don't think it's just the drugs talking, but I really think this shit gonna